here. Alright, so let's start from the back. You can already notice the taillights are actually joined together with this beautiful thin light line. Then I can see you can see these very aggressive looking side vents from the wheels, and let's take a look around the side. Beautiful polished wheels. I love the design.
Crazy, man.
If you look inside, you can see the beautiful plush floor mats, white leather interior with gray leather interior, and amazing interesting design of the panoramic roof, which is basically all glass. Alright, you can see the front, the same style. The steering wheel is of the same style as the Singapore right there. So front of the car, you can see again amazing mirrors with the space between the door and the mirror, like the BMW M series has had. Aggressive vents, really thin LED headlights with this aluminum strip at the top of them. Huge kidney grills. I actually don't like them. They are too huge for my opinion. They should be about 30% smaller. And again, you can see it with the door closed. You can actually see aluminum door handles that extend to